Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing a product which is design based. So now you are thinking what is design based. So basically design based is a software bundle where you are getting 6 world class design technologies inside one dashboard. So guys, you can say that in this bundle you are getting 6 different types of AI softwares which helps you to which helps you to earn more revenue and also for help you in your businesses. So guys, if you want to know more about this design beefs, then stick with me and also watch this review video till the end, because today I am also giving my premium bonuses for free to those people who are going to buy this software or softwares with my link, which is in the description guys. So now it's time to know about my bonuses and also about the design beast. So when you click the link which is in the description guide, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of design beast. And when you scroll down, you can see guys how design beast helps you. So with design beast, you can create sensational designs, graphics and animation in all languages with the world's most powerful design suite powered by artificial intelligence. Okay guys, so when you scroll more, you can see the image of design beast and also some information was given guys, and you can read these information on your own guys. And when you scroll more, you can see the prices. We talk later about the prices guys. First I want to show you some key benefits of this design beast, and I'm going to read for you guys these key benefits. So the first key benefit of design beast is guys, sell more products and services. So guys with design beast you can sell more products and services, because in design beast you are getting lots of different types of softwares which helps you to create more products and more services guys. And the second key benefit is double advertising revenues. So guys, when you sell more products or services, you can automatically double your revenues. And the third key benefit is guys, increase brand exposure. So guys, this software also helps you to increasing your brand exposure. And the another key benefit is guys, 10x your traffic and clicks. This software also helps you guys to 10x your traffic and clicks. And the another one is guys, maximize freelance revenues. So guys, these softwares also help freelancers to maximize their revenues. And the another one is guys, look professional and boost authority. So guys, these softwares works like a professional, which also build your or boost your authority. And the another one is guys, sell to international clients. So guys, you can also sell your products or services to the international clients made by these softwares. And the last one is guys, 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software or this bundle this design base is not working for you, then you can refund your money. Then you can refund this design base and get your money back within 30 days guys. So now you are thinking, what are those 6 softwares you are getting in this bundle. So guys, the first software is all-in-one design and mockup engine, and the second one is guys, one-click background removal. So guys, with this software you can remove background of any image in one click. And the third one is AI logo maker. So guys, the third software is logo maker, artificial intelligence. With the help of intelligence logo maker, guys. And the fourth one is 3D live motion photos. So guys, fourth software you can make 3D live motion photos. And the fifth one is guys magic object remover. And the sixth one is guys slick image editor. So guys, these are the six softwares which you are getting in this design beast. So now it's time to know about my bonuses. So guys, when you scroll more, you can see here is a demo video about the design beast. You can also see this demo video, guys, to know more about this bundle. And when you scroll more, you can see my bonuses, guys. And my first bonus is how to build a WordPress site, and its value is $7.99. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your own website on WordPress step by step. And guys, my second bonus is Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its value is $6.99. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can run your own Bing ads on, how you can successfully make Bing ads campaigns on Bing. So guys, this also helps you a lot to advertise your business. And the another one bonus is guys crazy traffic explosion, and its value is $9.97. So guys, with this bonus you can learn how you can drive crazy traffic to your websites. And the another one is guys $100 per day with free traffic, and its value is $5.99. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can scale your business and make $100 per day with free traffic. So the guys, another bonus is special bonus, and which is given by the vendor to you guys, and its value is $2,997. So guys, now I'm going to also show you the vendor bonuses. So guys, here are the vendor bonuses, and here total vendor is giving you 12 bonuses, I think, guys. You can check out your own these all bonuses. So guys, first I want to also remember you that these all bonuses you are getting for free, my all premium bonuses and also the vendors bonuses. You have to just do one thing, that if you are interested in this design beast, then you have to buy this software with my link, guys, which is in the description. So now you are thinking how to buy this software. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you come here on my bonus page, and here are some these key yellow buttons. You have to only click one of these yellow buttons, and when you click one of these yellow buttons, you come here on the sales page, guys, as you can see, of the design beast. And here you have to only click this get instant access to design beast, this button, and then you have to pay the amount, and the software is yours, guys. So now it's time to know about the prices. 1 second, guys. Now you are thinking how to get my all bonuses. So guys, when you buy this software or design beast with my link, you have to go to your purchase history and select the name of the design beast. So when you click the name on design beast, the interface looks like that. You can see here is a button which is access affiliate bonus. So when you click this button, you can directly download all my bonuses for free of cost, guys. So now it's time to know about the prices, guys. So the front end price of Design Beast and is, guys, the for personal use, guys, $37, for commercial $47, and bundle deal is for, guys, $247. And now it's time to know about the OTOs. So OTO 1, which is Design Beast Elite, is for, guys, $67 for one time, and OTO 2, which is Design Beast Agency, it is for $49 for one time, and OTO 3, which is Elite 4-in-1 app bundle, for $39 for one time, and OTO 4, which is Design Beast Unlimited, it is $47 for one time, guys. So guys, I think I told you enough about the Design Beast. So if you are interested in Design Beast and want to buy this software of bundle of softwares, then don't forget to click the link which is in the description, guys. And also don't about my premium bonuses. These all bonuses also helps you a lot to, guys, to make money online. So I think if this video helps you, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below, guys, that you like this video or not. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a nice day.